I have included a bead layout document in the lecture resources section for your use. Once you've gotten your lines tightly attached, the fun part begins. You're going to pull all the way to the end of the two 70-inch lines until you have about 1.5 inches sticking out from between your thumb and forefinger. Let's create the first line of beads that will be parallel to the middle bar of the slide. Place 4 beads on one of the 2 line ends. Now I'm right-handed, so I usually start on the left, but you can do it either way. Weave the side without the beads through the 4 beads. You will now have the ends of both lines running through and suspending the 4 beads. Pull the line ends all the way down and it's going to fit quite nicely at the base. Be careful not to tangle the 6-inch tails in this portion of the weave. The line of 4 beads will now be parallel to the middle bar of the slide. We will now start making the rest of the pattern. Pull the line ends all the way down until you only have 1.5 inches protruding from between your thumb and forefinger. Create the sides of the first segment by adding 4 beads each to both of the lines. We have a total of 8 beads here. Grasping the very ends of both of the 2 lines with the thumb and forefinger of your free hand, let go with your other hand. You will now have 3 sides of the square. So now we're going to make the top of the square. After allowing the 8 beads to slide down, create the top of the first segment by adding 4 beads to one of the lines and weaving the other line through the 4 beads. This is exactly the same step we used when creating the bottom of the first segment. Take the 2 ends and pull it all the way down. So now you can see that we have made our first square. This is the basis of the entire design. Repeat these steps until your strap is the desired length. The top of each square will serve as the bottom of the next. Now that the first segment is completed, we will only be making 3 sides for each square. Keep going, my friend. You're a rock star.
Go, go, go!